In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Calendly on Instagram 5 minutes. By the end, your audience will have a clear path to book time with you straight from your profile, and I'll also show you a simple automation to highlight new bookings on Instagram. First, open Calendly and sign in. On the event types page, look for the specific event you want people to schedule, like a discovery call, consultation, or demo. When you've found it, click the copy link button. That copies the unique scheduling URL to your clipboard so anyone with the link can book time based on your availability. Now switch over to the Instagram app and go to your business profile. Tap Edit Profile. In the bio section, paste your Calendly URL. For clarity, consider adding a short call to action right before the link, such as book a call, to make it obvious what the link does. Keep it simple and readable on mobile, then save your changes. Your Calendly link is now live on your profile and ready for visitors. A quick tip, open your profile as a visitor and tap the link to test it. You want to make sure it loads quickly and points to the exact event you intended. If you'd like to go a step further and create an automation that posts on Instagram when someone books, you can do that with Zapier. Sign up for a Zapier account and log in. Create a new Zap and choose Calendly as the trigger app. For the trigger event, select Invitee Created. This means the Zap will fire whenever a new booking is made. Next, choose Instagram as the action app. For the action event, select Publish Photos. This lets Zapier create a post on your behalf whenever the trigger runs. You can customize the caption to include details like the event name or a thank you message, keeping it professional and on brand. Connect your Calendly and Instagram accounts inside Zapier to grant access. Follow the prompts to authenticate both services securely. Once connected, test the Zap to make sure data flows correctly, review the sample post, and then turn it on. Keep in mind, Instagram features and posting options can vary by account type, so ensure your profile is properly set up for third-party publishing. That's it. Your Calendly link is now front and center on your Instagram profile, and with the optional Zapier flow, you can automatically celebrate new bookings and keep your audience engaged without extra effort.